The three parts of cell theory are all living things are made out of cells, cells are the fundamental units of life, and cells come from cells. Diffusion is when things move from a high concentration to a low concentration, just like that, through Brownian motion, which is natural. Osmosis is when water goes through diffusion from high to low, again, through a semi-permeable membrane. Now over in the cell we have the cytoskeleton here. Cytoskeleton acts like support beams, just like this, and they keep things from bashing around and from the cell collapsing in on itself. The membrane is just this outside layer right here. It's like the skin of the cell, keeps things out and keeps things in, very simple. The nucleus is like the brain of the cell. It has all the information. It's got the nucleolus, which has 95% of the DNA just stored right in there, and then this 5% is the loose strands, like that. It pumps it out as RNA into this, which is the rough ER. All these dots here are ribosomes. The rough ER is like the factory. The ribosomes are like the workers. The workers read the RNA and produce proteins. Over here we have the smooth ER with no ribosomes, notice, and it's responsible for lipids. The ribosomes, which produce the proteins are transported by vesicles. They're like little bubbles. They're like UPS trucks, and they are controlled by the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is the UPS headquarters. It's responsible for the vesicles and also lysosomes. So the Golgi has a cis end, which is the receiving end, and a trans end, which is the transporting end. So just like a one-way tube there. Now we have the lysosomes, which are produced by the Golgi. They're like little cleaners. They don't look super special. They just like engulf things and get rid of them. Now we have vacuoles, which are like big storage things, mainly for water. And then